Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from bakingwithmelissa.com, and today we are making mini tart desserts. First of all, you're going to decide if you're going to make your own phyllo dough cups or buy already made ones at the store. Either way, it's gonna be a great choice. Now, I've divided my recipe in half today because I'm just making a few treats for after dinner. So if you would like to make a whole bunch of mini tart desserts, just go ahead and double the recipe. So I've started off with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and I'm going to use 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to use an electric mixer here, and I'm going to mix that up until it's nice, creamy, and smooth. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and a half of a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna mix that up too. Now you wanna add about 2 teaspoons of your mixture into your phyllo dough cups. And after you fill them up, you can garnish them with various fruits or chocolates, whatever makes you happy. And then the only downfall is you need to refrigerate this for a couple of hours to let the mixture harden up. I filled up all of my little phyllo cups, and now it's time to put the garnish on. You can put all kinds of fresh fruits inside. I've got raspberries, bananas, I have a couple of blueberries here, and even chocolate chips. And there you have it, mini tart desserts. You can get creative and add as many colors as you want, or you could just drizzle chocolate on top. Either way, you're sure to delight whoever you're making dessert for. Thank you so much for joining me on Sugar and Spice. My name is Melissa Randall from bakingwithmelissa.com, and I hope you have a happy baking day.